Oh hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Janelle, also known as KraziiCurls on all of my social media platforms to include Instagram and Twitter. If you're not new, you know that I love to bring different and new things to my channel, and this is just one of them. Now, I decided to purchase 6 SUVA Beauty Hydra liners, and I'm testing out all of them except one. I also purchased their 2 brushes in 620 and 610 so that I can really apply these products to my lids and see what they look like. These colors are bold, they're bright, just like my personality, and that's about it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have these liners or any of these colors, let me know what you think. Give me your feedback, and I will be chiming in here and there to tell you guys what I think. One thing I love about these colors is that if you have white, just like I do, if you use the color white and mix it with a lot of different colors, all the colors will become more of a pastel. But if you use the colors on itself with a little bit of water, then you get them as bright as possible. So I definitely have to play with it, but overall it was so easy to apply. So tell me how I thought I was recording, but I wasn't recording. Okay, let me just take it back. So I used Scrunchie for my inner corner, and then I used Acid Trip from my outer corner. And what you guys are seeing now is just the second application. I wanted to apply a second coat just because I wanted it to be really bright and to stand out, and it did just that. Now, I'm going in with Dance Party, and the mistake that I committed was applying that color directly on my crease. I have hooded eyes, so when I open my eyes, you can't see it. So now I decided to thicken the line up by adding more product to the top and the bottom. Once that was done, I used the color Fanny pack to, create and finish the liner. As you guys can see here, all I'm doing is just adding more color to it, making sure it's nice and bright. Now, what I love about these liners is that not only is it activated with water, but you can remove it with water and water only. I used the 610 brush, which is a thinner brush tip, and I am just cleaning up the lines with a little bit of water, and it did the job without any problem. Okay, so I'm going in with Space Panda, which is like a matte color in white, and I'm just applying some dots. The first time it looked okay, the second time I added too many, but you live and you learn. So on the opposite eye, I decided to add Acid Trip first, but the issue that I found myself with was just that it kept like cracking and breaking up. I don't know what the issue was, but I decided to move on, and instead of using the 620 brush, using the Dance Party liner, I used the 610 just to see if there was a major difference. Personally, I like the 620 because I can apply thick lines without an issue. I would more so use the 610 brush for designs. So I am going back in with the 620 brush and applying Space Panda. I think I applied it too thick, but moving forward, I decided to add Scrunchie next to it, and I decided to also just use a Q-tip with water to make the lines a little cleaner, and I am adding the color Fanny pack for my dots. And now I am officially done. I love how these colors came together. It gives me more of like a carnival feel to it with the yellow and the green and the white and the orange. I definitely played it differently on the opposite side, switching the colors just to see how it looks. From a distance, I love it, but from up close, I'm not much of a fan, and I will zoom in and tell you why. The white is not as opaque as I would love it to be. Even though I went over it a few times, the orange isn't also. Now, the reason that it's not, I'm not gonna blame it on the product. These colors activate with water, and they also get removed and wash away with water. So the moment that they go on your skin, it doesn't come off. They're good to go, literally. Beautiful. But as soon as you touch it with water, I'll show you, it's over. See, all done. I try to go over some of the colors a little bit, just like the white one, but it just wasn't as intense as I would have liked it to be. But you have to play with it. These two brushes, I have the 610 and the 620. The 620, which is right here, is a bigger brush as opposed to the 610, which is smaller. My favorite is the 620, but if you want details and stuff like that, the 610 is a great way to go. Before I officially end this video, I wanted to go in with my Blacklight highlighter from BH Cosmetics. This palette has a lot of pretty highlighters, as you can see. So I will go in with the On Point, which is more of a shimmery pink. And I will just throw that on there.
That's pretty.
Now I'm not going to dab my face all up with makeup. I'm going to use Electra. A little bit for my nose. Just put that on there. I just wanted to add a little bit of highlighter on there. Now this definitely changes the vibes of this look, but it's fun. I like it. If you used these colors before, you know, to play with your makeup and as an eyeliner, definitely leave a comment down below. If you like this video, leave a comment down below. This is my first video just showcasing the new products that I did purchase, and I just wanted to see how they looked, and I love them. I can't wait to play with them. So stay tuned. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know. Leave a comment. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell. Follow me on social media. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter. Let's connect. Let's get to know each other. And I will catch you guys next time. Thank you for watching.